Shout out sa mga kabataan dyan. Gahal-gahal naman. Ayla. Hey guys, so
Hello.
for today's video, ay lakaw-lakaw rami, no? Padong mi sa amo ang friend. Friend's house. Yes?
Hindi ako. Ikaw?
Sino? Siya lang. Oh, diba? Okay. What else?
Lala.
Oh, how about this one? Is there something cheesy here?
Ano? Kato ba itong biscuit nga cheese?
Cheese stick?
Dili. Kailan ba itong taga na?
Biscuit na cheese.
Kauchi?
Ha? Oo, kalchi. Ha? Oo, kalchi.
Ah, I ate cheese.
Popcorn na nga cheese.
Yes, I also eat popcorn kahapon.
So, yes guys. Now we're going to somewhere. Somewhere na malapit Elaha Summer. Layo na sa papakit mo ko.
Yun.
Summer is our guy friend from Cagato.
Okay.
Oh.
So I am currently craving for something cheesy. So we're looking for, can be a corn dog or pizza. And it since, according to Payan, this is Payan by the way. Our new member of the vlog.
Yeah.
Did you know where we post these vlogs? We post in our YouTube, unlisted, which is only us can view who has the access of the link. Right?
Yeah.
I-post na baro mga monetize mo.
And then i-watch namo ni
When we grow up.
we grow up. So hi Janine.
Like this.
Hello Julian and hello Payan. So this is us in 2025.
Come on, future me.
So what date is now?
Date is now February.
February 4.
Birthday mo
And
din summer, ugma.
huh? Chincha? Oh my god! Let's go to Summers!
Ano kayo naman doon? Birthday.
Oh, happy birthday, Summer!
Happy birthday, Summer. Oh, mag-duty na ako.
Ayaw sa duty, na nga sakit pa. Lingon na ka. What is that?
5 hours yapon yung duty tomorrow pa yan.
Morning, full morning. Tapos sa afternoon kay taman 8 ang klase.
Kaso dili ka katila, Summer.
Kaya na, huwag mo sud. Kaya, gusto doon. Klase na, kuduha ron. Ako may sud.
So, kini sila is very busy person because they are student scholars.
Sayang invitation.
Yar.
Bapa, may professor ni sud.
Dagan sila, wala mo sulot.
Next week pa siguro.
Sige lang pag nagsika ni.
Tugod na, tarong ngayon natin.
Ang layo pa.
Okay, pagkainan.
Mag-skip lang ta sa itong destination, guys, because it would be a very, very far trip. So, let's cover the camera. Uy, dali, i-cover na to ang camera. Go. Cover, stop sa. And, i-cover na to kay para mag-transform. Mag-trans.
Okay, nag-cover naman there, guys, because there will be magic.
1, 2, 3. Apil, 1, 2, 3. So, first stop. first stop is...
First stop na po yung second stop.
Oh, that is second stop. Right now, we are at Trusilog.
We're ordering a pizza.
Yes.
What kind of pizza?
Ultimate cheese. Say cheese. Yes. We're just taking pictures right now.
We hungry.
Hello, Summer. So this is for you.
Bro, there, bro. Bro.
Where is Summer?
Saan ka na? Nadong kami sa inyo ha.
Sakay.
Okay. So, what time siya mabot?
By 6? Nag-what naman tayo?
Ate, kinapatay.
Ingna, ato na lang. Ato na lang sa buton iyang household nga. Madung ta sa ila para mag-prepare ta.
Ayan na, summer eh. Nami, pagkaon marami yan. Tara.
Ta.
Marami na.
Let's go. We'll surprise Summer for his birthday tomorrow.
Yeah. We're gonna celebrate it
Summer
today.
mo eh,
Happy
last
birthday,
mo.
Summer!
Last na to. Kita, summer.
Buong ko?
Ano yun?
No, that's just a joke. Just
We're
kidding.
gonna be here next year for his birthday also.
Alay lang, ganda sa tulo.
손님, 나쁘십니까? 여기서 잠깐 멈춰도 되겠습니까?
Pabilin na po niyo.
뭐 하시려고요? 대신 요금은 여기까지만 받겠습니다. 아직 한참 남았는데요. 아니 뭐 그런 줄 알고 땡큐지만.
Ha?
네, 감사합니다.
Pwede ra. Ganahan si Julian nato.
What are the questions? Will you be to reflect? The answer is still the same. Everyone in the world can die as far as I I'm okay. Shadows. Ambition starts. I'm afraid the rule is that no one's allowed to leave. Any situation. Hey, we said you have to qualify things. I'm sorry, you shut the life out of some situations. I'll accept that. It's not that list. I think most parents